We landed in Tenerife South Airport. It is warm. So Mike invited me on a trip to the Canary Islands to help him shoot a video for the new DJI Mavic 3.
It's been a year since our last trip. Exactly a year.
Good morning. We have made it to
TD.
LTD, and look at
Cold
this.
as hell.
Yeah, we were gonna bring trousers, but
No,
we decided to.
I was gonna bring them.
No, I was gonna bring him as well, but you said it was shorts time. Mike decided it was shorts time, and now we're absolutely freezing. So yeah, there's not many people here. It's quite peaceful.
Nice,
yeah, I think when we start walk. Okay, cue the cinematics. You can tell I haven't done this in a while. It is bright now. We just finished up our first couple hours shooting and something happened. Mike, what do you have to say?
Let's just say, always have your sensors on.
But I think the clips are pretty cool. Actually,
Yeah,
you guys
cool.
might have seen, and if the footage transfers. We've stopped off at the side of the road. Check this out. What? Look at the fog, low-lying fog over the mountain. We thought it was just going to be a clear day. I'm actually baffed. That is actually mad. Oh my god. Just run down to this little beach bit.
So sick.
We're a little bit late, but we're going to try and set up and get some really cool shots. I think it's going to be a reflection on the water. So yeah, let's go. And that behind me, oh my. Made it down here with just enough time to spare. You can see the sunset behind. It is boiling hot. Oh, there's someone naked over there with a it's out. We are done here. Finished shooting, we're about to pack up and then go home, get some food to eat. We gotta go Hippo Dino, if it's still open when we get there, but...
The Chinese buffet.
So, we've actually just stopped off in this cool like woodland area. As you can see, the light is actually coming through, getting some really nice shadow. Mike's having a pee. What is that? I don't know.
Let's get it.
Oh. Yes. Mike has driven us up 48 minutes I think, to this spot. We called it a Kauai type vibe place because it looks pretty similar. It's not actually as warm as it has been. It's cool right now. Sick, 4 hours from the UK. Pretty simple. It's actually quite busy though, actually, flying in. Maybe we can get some cool video footage and some drone footage. It's pretty windy though. Let's go. God, there's cacti everywhere.
Mate, this is like cracking.
Oh my
I think, right, the more Keen and I do these things, the older we get a bit more sensible. Can't speak. Be careful when you do come to locations like this, because yeah, it is fun and all, but you've got to be careful.